Hi everyone, I'm super excited to announce that I've got a brand new online workshop starting August 1st, Amazing Gel Prints Working with Stencils. It's going to be 12 lessons long, 3 lessons per week, so a lot of information packed into the month of August, but we're going to basically cover the whole book in pre-recorded video lessons. At the end, we're going to even have a live Zoom call where we're going to come together and share our experience, talk about questions that we might have, and I'll do a couple of more demos and some Q&A. This will be recorded so you can watch all of it at your own pace and on your own time frame. We're going to start by covering the basics like tools and stencils and masks and brayers and the gel plate. Then we're going to talk about colors and translucency of pigment and paints. And then we're going to begin by making light colored solids. We'll then take those light colored solids and start building layers by layering patterns of stencils, by layering textures and layering color. I'm going to take you through the steps of creating rich, complex gel prints that you'll be so proud of and so excited to make. And in the end, I'm even going to show you how to add some effects on top of your prints to take them up to a whole nother level. We're going to talk about glitter, about stamping, splattering, and watery washes. So I hope that you will be able to join me starting August 1st for my new online workshop, Amazing Gel Prints Working with Stencils.